Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Identity Services Engine ISE. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Identity Services Engine is: how does Cisco ISE contribute to threat containment and incident response in a network? Your answer should be Cisco ISE with its visibility into user and device activities can contribute to early threat detection. It can dynamically change access policies, isolate compromised devices, and facilitate incident response actions to contain security threats. Our next interview question is: what are the considerations for ensuring a resilient and highly available Cisco ISE deployment? Your answer should be high availability in Cisco ISE involves redundant deployments, load balancing, and failover configurations. Considerations include hardware redundancy, database replication, and proper network design to ensure resilience. Our next interview question is: explain the role of Cisco ISE Profiler Feed service in keeping device profiles up to date. Your answer should be Profiler Feed service regularly updates the profiling database in Cisco ISE with information about new devices and their characteristics. This ensures accurate device profiling for making informed access control decisions. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ISE handle authentication and authorization for multi-factor authentication MFA? Your answer should be Cisco ISE can integrate with MFA solutions such as Radius Token Servers or RSA Secure ID for multi-factor authentication. It adds an additional layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before granting access. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Cisco ISE policy sets and how they are organized in the policy hierarchy. Your answer should be policy sets in Cisco ISE are collections of authentication and authorization policies. They are organized in a hierarchical structure where rules within a policy set are processed in order. This hierarchy allows for flexible and granular policy enforcement. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ISE support integration with threat intelligence platforms (TIPs) for enhanced security? Your answer should be Cisco ISE can integrate with threat intelligence platforms to enrich its contextual information with real-time threat intelligence data. This integration enhances the ability to make dynamic access decisions based on the latest threat information. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of Cisco ISE's device administration feature and how does it contribute to network security? Your answer should be device administration in Cisco ISE enables the enforcement of policies for network devices such as routers and switches. It ensures that only authorized administrators can access and configure critical network infrastructure, enhancing security. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.